Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed YouTube Shorts in WordPress website. So let's get started. However, if you don't have a free account, make sure to check the link down in the video description below to get started with a free account. To get started, you are going to have to log into the WordPress dashboard and then select a YouTube Shorts to embed in your WordPress website. So I have selected this short and now I'm going to click on share over here and then make sure to copy this link. Alright, so link copied to clipboard. Now I'm going to go back to my WordPress dashboard. From here, let's hover over posts section and go to all posts. Now you can either hover over a post and click on edit and then add the video to your post, or you can just create a new post. So I'm going to start from scratch and create a new post instead. We're going to give a title for our post. After adding a title, we can type down something in the block section if we want, and then proceed to the plus sign on the upper left corner. Now we're going to click on the plus sign and then scroll down. After scrolling to the media section, you're going to find an option called video. Make sure to select this option and then click on insert from URL. Now paste down the URL that we had copied earlier. We're going to apply. And as you can see, the short has been added to my post. Alright, so now I'm going to publish the post. Now the post has been published, we can view the post. Alright, so as you can see, I'm now viewing the post and the YouTube short has been added to my post. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.